uncover everything about this condition called as melasma. In Hindi, we call it as jhai, or in Marathi, we also call it as vam. It's one of the most commonest condition, but yet very stubborn. And that is why today I thought of giving you some elaborate points on melasma so that you can take care of patchy pigmentation, which is actually very stubborn in some cases. Let's start with some important mistakes which people do while having melasma. First is skipping sunscreen. Well, you all know that UV light or sun rays triggers heavily the melasma, and that is why even if it is indoors, if it's outdoors, or maybe even your laptop or screen, UV light or maybe even the infrared light can definitely trigger melasma. And that is why, what is my take? Whenever you are there in the sun, even for a few minutes, don't forget your broad spectrum 50 SPF matte film sunscreen so that your face and your mask of the pregnancy patches are well covered and they don't get triggered. Apart from that, you can use hats and goggles or glare whenever you're on beach vacation or maybe on the mountains or maybe in the snow where the reflection of the light, UV light is much stronger. So all these precautions just so that we don't skip the sunscreen. The second mistake which people do is using all the home remedies or maybe the DIYs which contains lemon, ginger, apple cider vinegar, which actually are irritants to a very sensitive condition of this melasma patch. The color really gets triggered and irritated and you may see much more darker patches. So to avoid these, what do? Go on to dermatologist recommended products like tranexamic acid, hydroquinone, kojic acid, RBT, vitamin C, and always prefer to follow a schedule given by your doctor and not the DIY, especially when melasma is a concern. The third mistake is neglecting hormones. Well, we all know it's called as mask of pregnancy. That means the hormonal changes which occur during the pregnancy leads to the occurrence of it, and that's why thyroid imbalance, diabetes, even extra usage of birth control pills for a longer time can induce melasma, can trigger melasma, and can even lead to stubborn patches. So don't forget your hormonal imbalances. Get the doctor into notice and get that taken care. So I hope you will not be now doing any of these critical mistakes about melasma, and let's talk about the solution. Well, it's not magic. Melasma will take nothing less than maybe 6 months to maybe a year, maybe sometimes 2 years, because they are sometimes stubborn and deeper in their character. How do we take care? First is of course your sunscreen and other things. So when you have a very superficial melasma or a mild melasma or a recent melasma, only topical creams like hydroquinone, kojic acid, vitamin C, RBT, tranexamic acid, there are many more, can always help in reducing and controlling the color production in that patch. But if you have deeper, more bigger patches or something which is very visible and getting very uncontrollably added on in the form of color and maybe the size, what you have to do is subject yourself to treatments like laser, low light laser, which helps in reducing the color, breaks the color very safely. You can also do micro needling, which actually induces infusion of vitamins, which helps in diluting. CRT is another solution. So all these treatments are available at doctor's office, and of course not the least chemical peels. Deeper peels, cosmelan, PCA peels, and even retinol peels are great solutions for reducing the melasma on the face. Bonus tips for treating melasma. First, consistency is the key. As you saw, there are many preparations available and claiming that they are the best. Well, it's all a play of different combinations which your doctor will suggest to you depending upon the depth of pigmentation, depending upon the size of the pigmentation, depending upon how you are responding to it. So consistency is the key. We may need few combinations first, then we may change to the next, then we may change to the next. Also, the treatment may vary from person to person. So be patient and keep using your given subscribed treatments and products for correcting the melasma. Second, please don't avoid sunscreens. That's extremely important. And the third one is do not do any DIYs. Don't use any harsh chemicals on the face, any cosmetic products without any knowledge of your doctor. Please do not pick that up. Also, any home remedies, if you feel that may reduce the pigmentation, please don't. If anything irritates that pigmentary patch, it may just worsen the melasma. So these are the quick bonus tips. If you like this content and the video on melasma, or if you have any other queries, then please DM us. We will be happy to help you. Share this with a friend who has melasma, and of course you can always subscribe to our channel because here we put content making great for your skin.